Hi guys, and welcome back to Old Squid Gaming, and welcome back to Free Game Friday. That looks very Minecrafty. This is Block Post. I'm not sure what's going on up here. Is this like a command thing? I don't know. Graphics. I'll just official servers. Okay, we'll connect to the server. This looks very how do I get rid of this thing at the top? Oh no, I can't Is it recording? Okay, so basically for some reason in this F-tone opens up this sort of terminal thing. Okay, so it looks like we've got a spade of all things. Can we like, ooh, we can actually destroy earth. Okay, so what do we have? Okay, so we have, this is so Minecrafty. I don't know, God, it's so loud. Can we turn down the volume? Freaky sound. Honestly, all games are so loud. How do we get out of that? There we go. So, I guess I'm on... I don't know. To see if we can get some kills. I'm stuck. What the... Does auto... Oh god, auto jumps on. Okay, so I think that's an enemy guy. What the hell? Game is completed. Red team won. Okay, I don't know who is on red team or who's on blue team, but a Russian game, and this is early access. And okay, so click must continue. So there's 37 players online. Okay, I did. Okay, ever. Come on. Okay, I don't know if we got the kid on this car or not. It's really... Why is the sound so loud again? Goodness gracious, I just turned it down a second ago. It still comes through loud. How the hell do we get out of here? Can we like place blocks at all? I don't know. Oh wait. Can we? Okay, so we sort of can. This is so random. Wait, could you actually like build things on this? I bet someone has. I bet someone's tried to build stuff. Yay! I was killed. Yes, at least I respawn. I don't know who killed me, or how, but I got killed. RIP. Can we like run? No. Hey, really? You're called by the red 203. God, my nose is going really funny again. Please don't go funny nose. Oh, great. That's marvellous. Marvellous. Hey, I actually got a kill. Sweet. Come on, reload. Ah, this red guy. So OP. Please don't sneeze, nose. Please don't sneeze. Oh god. Hey, okay, so yeah, my nose is going really funny. It's that really weird thing, and then I think it's hay fever. Oh my god, I think we both killed each other. That's so cool. So Come on. This guy's hacking. I can't believe it's actually found a hacker. Wow. That is crazy. Literally only been playing this for like a few minutes and we've already found a hacker? Like, what is that all about? This guy! Can we chat? We literally... Test. Hi, this is quick test of the microphone in Mage Rage.